Hey, sixth grade, coming at you with another math video. We're going to continue focusing on lesson 7 with percent of a number. So what I did for this assignment is I kind of labeled here method 2 as the preferred method, the method that you want to use when you solve these, okay? Again, let's look at method 2 here, and it has you write the percent as a decimal. And this is from yesterday's assignment. There was a total of 300 students, okay? So what you had to do first was change that percent to a decimal with what we did in the previous lessons. And that was just moving that percent out of the way and moving the decimal to the left 2 spots. It's always 2 spots, okay? Even if it's a 4-digit number, a 5-digit number, a 6-digit number, you're only going to move it 2 spots, okay? So what I'm going to do here is solve a few of these, and I'll let you finish the rest. So let's start here with number 1. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is change our 5% to our decimal of 0.05. Okay, then after that, our next step is going to be to multiply 0.05 times our total number of 40. Okay, and if we do that in our calculator, we're going to say 0.05 times 40 gives us 2. So our final answer would be 2. So what we're saying now is 5% of 40 is 2. All right, let's look at number 9. Number 9, we have 600,000. I'm sorry, 600%. Okay, and if we move the decimal to the left 2 spots, 600% turns into just 6.00, or just 6. Okay, whatever you type in the calculator, whether it's 6.00 or you just put a 6 in, it's the same thing. Okay, so now our next step is going to be to take our 6 and multiply it. I'm sorry, let me back up. Let me do 6.00 so you can see that. 6.00 times 7. All right, and you can do this in your head, but if you want to see it done on the calculator, we're going to say 6.00 times 7 gives us 42. Again, it's the same thing as 6 times 7, okay? So 600% of 7 is 42. All right, let's move to another one that looks tricky. Let's look at number 10, okay? Number 10. Number 10, we have 1.5%, okay? If you move that decimal to the left 2 spots, you end up with 0.015, okay? And we're just going to rinse and repeat. We're going to do the same exact thing. All right, we're going to take that 0.015 and we're going to multiply it times our whole, which looks to be 25. And let's see what we get. So we're going to say 0.015 times 25. And we get a decimal of 0.375. Okay? Again, the tricky part about this, guys, is just remembering, oops, let's bring this down here. The tricky part, guys, is making sure that you move your decimal to the right location, okay? Remember, it's always 2 decimal places to the left when you're changing from a percent to a decimal. All right, if you have any questions, I'll be online if you need any help. send me a message or email me. But I want you to at least try a few of these before you start asking for help from your teacher. All right, guys, good luck.